Storm watch on WBAP. Chief Meteorologist Brad Barton live in the WBAP Weather Center. A severe thunderstorm warning is being issued now for Hill and Ellis counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Hill County, south central Ellis County, and west central Navarro County until 10. A severe thunderstorm located near Bynum, about 10 miles southeast of Hillsboro, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and 1.5-inch hail, about the size of $50. Hail damage to vehicles can occur. You can expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be around Blooming Grove by 9:40 and the community of Berry by 9:50. Once again, severe thunderstorm warning for east central Hill, west central Navarro, and south central Ellis counties until 10. A severe thunderstorm southeast of Hillsboro, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour with $50 sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.